Hello and welcome to Life Vibe Travel, your ultimate destination for immersive walking tours. Today, we are doing a walking tour of the lively and historic streets of St. Augustine, Florida. Amidst the vibrant atmosphere of St. George Street, something extraordinary awaits those who dare to wander its charming pathways. As the innocent passerby draws nearer, completely unaware of the impending hilarity, the bushman strikes with a playful surprise. With a sudden burst of energy, he jumps out, brandishing wild gestures and roaring sounds. The reactions are priceless. The laughter echoes through the street as startled giggles and delighted shrieks fills the air. This interactive prank has bringing joy to all who partake in this impromptu encounter with the bushman. The bushman's antics have transformed from a simple prank into a cherished encounter that unites people from all walks of life. It breaks down barriers and fosters a sense of shared joy and camaraderie, transcending age, language, and background. Even the little ones find themselves mesmerized by the bushman's playful charm, leaving behind cherished memories that will be recounted with laughter for years to come. So, the next time you find yourself in St. Augustine, keep your eyes peeled for the legendary bushman along St. George Street. Embrace the unexpected, laugh without reserve, and immerse yourself in this timeless tradition that epitomizes the spirit of joy and whimsy that defines this enchanting city. I sincerely appreciate you accompanying me on this brief walking tour of St. George Street in St. Augustine, Florida. If you enjoyed the experience, remember to show your support by liking and subscribing down below. Looking forward to having you join me again in the future. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.